Are you ready to unlock the world of web development? Whether you're a small startup or a global enterprise, a strong online presence is essential in today's digital age. Introducing TechieShub Deep IT Solutions Private Ltd, your go-to source for end-to-end IT support. We offer a wide range of services, from web and mobile app development to e-commerce solutions and digital marketing. Let's dive into the basics of front-end and back-end development. Front-end development focuses on what users see and interact with. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are the building blocks of creating a captivating user experience. On the other hand, backend development is the engine behind the scenes. It handles data management, server operations, and security to ensure your website or app runs smoothly and safely. At TechieShub Deep IT Solutions Private Ltd, we have a talented team of front-end and back-end developers ready to turn your ideas into reality. Contact us today for all your IT needs. Visit our website at www.techiesgroup.co.in, call us at +9 1-830-523-3223, or email us at info@techiesgroup.co.in. Prosper in the digital world with TechieShub Deep IT Solutions Private Limited. Subscribe and stay tuned for more tech insights.